In this video, I'll show you how to add Firebase Authentication in FlutterFlow. First, sign into your FlutterFlow account and open the project where you want to add user authentication. Make sure your project is already connected to Firebase. Next, go to Settings and Integrations, open the Firebase section, and verify that your Firebase project is connected. Then, open the Firebase console, go to Authentication, click Get Started, and enable the sign-in methods you want to use, such as email and password or Google sign-in. After that, return to FlutterFlow and open the Authentication section. Enable authentication for your project and configure your login, sign up, and password reset pages. Connect the appropriate authentication actions to your buttons so users can create accounts and sign in. Now, preview your app and test the authentication flow. Create a test account, sign in, sign out, and verify that users are redirected to the correct pages after each action. Finally, save your changes and deploy your app. Your FlutterFlow application will now use Firebase Authentication to securely manage user accounts. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Firebase Authentication in FlutterFlow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.